Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can connect to a Wi-Fi internet on your Windows or in any laptops and how you can connect to a Wi-Fi network. Then without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So all you have to do is we need to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type control panel. Click on it under the best match. And here you need to view this into categories. If this is viewed by large icons or small icons, change that to category. And here you'll find network and internet. Click on that. Here you will find network and sharing center with three options at the bottom. View network status and task. Connect to a network. View network computers and devices. Click on connect to a network. And here you have to simply look for the network that you want to connect to. If this is turned off in your case, simply turn on Wi-Fi and then look for the network that you want to connect to. So here, let me connect to this network. Click on connect. Let me type the password. Click on next. And now I'm connected. So that's it. That's how you can easily connect to a Wi-Fi internet in your Windows. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.